Wow, my people, there again once more, big up, respect and manners to each and every one. You see, yeah, I have videos that I'm going to present to you. So first up, my people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a person who was somewhat laying on the ground of your subscribers, and the video shows the person holding a part of his body that makes me assume that the person might have been hurt. And it is said that police was at the location when the video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers. I don't know how many police officers was at the location. The video shows some type of reddish thing on a part of a clothes that the person who you can see in the video wear. You see me? Now in the video, at least one person said some words that gave me the understanding that that person accused the person who you can see somewhat laying on the ground of shooting police or shooting a police. Viewers and subscribers, let's take a look at this video, and then me I go point out at least one or maybe two things about the whole situation. Maybe, yes, so may I say. And please bear in mind that a part of the video shows when someone kicked the person who was somewhat laying on the ground, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen and observe with me.
Man, all you do that, I come in for you. I man, shoot on there, you go there. I said, go shoot the man there. I was up. I have to you need on the floor like the yard. I got the floor. The man finds the man and says, any of the movie kill me. The man have programmed me for a long time. I tell me, you come in as a brother because we get shot better.
Where you start?
So we have to do that for the
So when you get to go, why never does skilla run?
oh, we just run
I'm going to tell him.
I keep going out on him.
Oh.
I'm going to throw them from the mission and I don't know if you do.
Police police.
Yeah, police.
Alright, after. Alright, that's what you're going to give it. Looking at it. Looking at it, just talking about all time. I don't mean.
Where going this?
That's why we get the shot. The time we don't know where man is. It's not smooth.
Where the gun?
Yeah, one of them to go. And I have to say, I will come out man to the body, so I saw Bob to the home there.
So where you come from? You come from down here?
Yeah, all now by the road.
Oh, okay.
I don't make that. God knows that.
Alright, my people, so if you notice, you see the person in the video who is on the ground somewhat, a whole a part of the body look like the leg or so forth. So I say, alright, so listen to this part of the video and we could see if we can get an understanding about the situation more. Listen to this part.
I tell me, you come in as a brother because we get shot better.
Where you start?
You hear that? Listen to this part again.
I tell me, you come in as a brother because we get shot better.
Where you start?
Alright. So, me da wonder why the person hold on on that part of the leg. No, viewers and subscribers, I got unconfirmed information as to what that situation is about still, you know. You see me? But you can ask me in the comment section. I see me, and listen to this next part now, viewers and subscribers. Listen. You hear that? Listen again. Now you tell me if what you say makes sense, my people. Think about it. You see me I say, tell me if what the person say makes sense. Tell me if you believe or if you don't believe the words that the person say in that video. Tell me if you think a lie might tell or if a true might tell. And I real, my people. Because, me I tell you, life ain't a movie, you know. Life is not a movie, and that some people need to realize. Life ain't a movie. So me I say, a real thing this. There's no do-over. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another topic. Let me know what to think about that video that I presented to you. Now here I'm going to present another video to you that is being talked about on social media. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about the situation that I can see in this video, viewers and subscribers, because I'm not going to present the audio of the video to you. But this video shows when a motor vehicle somewhat drifted or reversed and hit a motorcycle that someone was on. Viewers and subscribers, look at the clothing that the person who was on the motorcycle was wearing. You see that? Alright, so the video shows when the motor vehicle somewhat drive away and, you know, two persons who was on those motorcycles went in the same direction as to where the motor vehicle went. Obviously, somebody was driving the motor vehicle. You understand me? Now, take a look at the video and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. Observe. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Yeah man, for real man. Okay, so now I'm going to present a video to you that I be recorded in Jamaica, and this video is going to show at least two persons who was involved in a fight. Some people might say an altercation, viewers and subscribers. However, the video shows at least two police officers from within the country of Jamaica who intervened, viewers and subscribers, and I got the understanding that there was a certain amount of persons who was trying to de-escalate the hostile situation. I don't have any confirmed information as to how many persons was involved in the fight or the altercation. Alright, now one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Quite a number of allegations and speculations have been made about this video. So, see? Now, before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I want you to please bear in mind that this video shows a very hostile situation. This video shows quite a number of persons. You can hear persons yelling and shouting. You can hear quite a number of harsh language in the video. The video shows when at least one person attacked someone. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe and tell me what you think.
Station. Dr. Face, what's up? Station, no go. No, VAR. Oh, buckler, they're not a bar.
Well, obviously something happened to start the altercation or confrontation that escalated between those persons, viewers and subscribers. But there's one part of the video me really and truly have me I think, you know. Yeah, because me or someone says something in the video, you know what I mean, and we just want to play back this part, even if this might not have nothing to do with certain things what happened, but we just want to hear about that part. So listen to it, my people, and listen what this person said. Listen carefully. Okay. Oh wow. Well, yeah. Well, people are like, you know, there are some people with certain advantages out there. You understand? Please bear in mind, you know, viewers and subscribers, that I am not able to confirm how many persons was involved in the fight or the altercation, but I got the understanding that at least 2 persons was involved in the fight or the altercation. See me I say, yeah, but people are not real though, you know. Just present these videos to you because they are being talked about on social media. They don't know me do my thing already, you see? There are more things that I could talk to you about in this video, but I think I'm going to stop it right here. So, big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.